Hey everyone, it's Amy here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as well as hitting that notification bell. For everyone who's returning, thank you so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you so very, very much. So again, I'm using some of my favorite colors. I have done several pieces with these colors. And if you like animal prints, this one just screams giraffes. I love, love, love how this piece turned out. So the first color there is the Perido by DecoArt Extreme Sheen. And that was Copper by DecoArt. And this is DecoArt's 24 karat gold with Golden's Iridescent Gold Fine. It just adds, I don't know, a special little sparkle. I love the iridescent gold fine. And then some Liquidtex burnt umber for contrast. And the base was Pebeo's buff titanium. So this is my palette knife. I got it from DecoArt Co. Check them out. They have boom gel stain, they have all of the TLP pigments, plus so much more. All right, so I am using Australian floetrol, 3 parts to 1 part Amsterdam's titanium white. And as you can see, I'm just spreading it on my knife and gently gliding it across the paint. Just with a slight angle, I tip that front edge just up slightly, and I don't push too hard. Nice and gentle, and love doing this little reverse technique with my editing. It always throws everyone off, throws me off too as I watch it. So I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season as the kids get back to school and as we get back to work. Those of us who have been off, I go back to work on January the 4th after being off on mental health leave for 8 weeks. Yeah, so I'm a little bit nervous as I edit because that's tomorrow, and yeah, my anxiety is a little bit high, but trying to use the techniques that I have learned to help manage my anxiety. I'm also really looking forward to going back, believe it or not. So I've done my swiping and now I'm torching to pop some air bubbles. I'm just using up the rest of my buff titanium as flow extender. I wish I'd had a little bit more. However, when I initially pictured this in my head, I wanted to have some negative space, but did not have enough flow extender. But, you know, everything happens for a reason. And the final piece, this is my number one favorite piece at the moment. I absolutely love how it turned out. So yes, Christmas, holiday season. What was your favorite Christmas gift that you either gave or received this year? I have been so excited to give my brother and his wife a really cool gift. It is a drink and charcuterie board smoker. Oh my goodness, it's a little mesh thingamabob that you put over top of a drink. You put in wood chips and then you light it on fire and you let the smoke, it goes down into the glass and it'll smoke whatever alcohol you're drinking. And the charcuterie, it comes with a dome that has the same kind of opening on top where you add in your wood chips and light it on fire and let it smoke, and it'll smoke your cheeses and your meats, and even you have grapes on there. And we tried it out and it was absolutely amazing. I also got my mom this bag that she had been looking at from Rare Form. They are a company that takes down old billboards and then uses the vinyl to create bags of all different kinds. And they started off making surfboard bags, but then expanded into, you know, purses and wallets and regular bags. And so she wanted this really large bag that had the letter M on it, for her last name starts with M. And she had been looking at it in August. My daughter happened to be there and very promptly sent me the link, and so I purchased it. And because they're one of a kind, she was really upset that someone else had purchased the bag. So check out my Instagram account for the gasp look on her face. So help me hit 1,000 subscribers. I am so very close. And if you'd like to get in contact with me, my website is www.amysacrylicartistry.com. You can also check out my Instagram at anxiousamy_IG. And my email is amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. And if you're looking for commission pieces, please send me an email and we can figure something out for you. But I also have art posted on my website. I do need to update it and add a few of my newer pieces. But if you watch my videos and are interested in that piece, please just leave me a comment or send me an email specifically about a piece if you're interested in this piece. Leave me a comment down below or send me an email. This will be one that I have a hard time letting go because it just looks absolutely fabulous. I have it hung in the hallway of my upstairs, and I love looking at it every time I walk past. Oh, the Australian floetrol just has such a beautiful effect, and you can see how it looks very much like a giraffe print. Love, love, love how these colors blend together, and the cells, how there are so many double colored cells or triple colored cells. And the contrast of the burnt umber and the buff titanium base are just absolutely beautiful. So yes, dried results are up next. I just wanted to throw a couple of pictures in here just to show you. Here is the dried result. I do have it hung a little bit different in my hallway than I have it hung here, but however, it dried absolutely perfect. And I actually had more cells pop up as it dried, which does happen with that 24 karat gold and the peridot. I find the copper doesn't do it quite as much, but the gold and the peridot for sure. I have some beautiful cells in this picture. So if you have made it this far, I would love if you would leave me some, let's say, green hearts today down in the comments. Don't forget to leave me a comment about what your favorite gift was this Christmas. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!